In today's video, I'm going to do just a brief introduction of NFTScan's developer platform and the usage of our API services. So first, click on the API key located in the top right corner of NFTScan's Explorer homepage. It will redirect you to a preview page of the NFTScan developer platform. And then click on Get Started for free to proceed to the login page. And once you log in, you will see the dashboard displaying detailed information about your API requests. You'll see your consumption of compute units and records of the CU, bandwidth, and traffic generated by each API request, and then facilitating troubleshooting and debugging during development. A lot of information can be found here. Here you'll also find the API key, and this is required for making any API requests. And later I'll show you that in the video, show you how to do that. Next, you'll find information about CUs. The pricing for CUs can be found at the bottom of the preview page under Service Pricing. It specifies the value of a CU, so 1 million CU corresponds to 1 USDT. So for as little as just $1, you can purchase you can purchase 1 million CUs to use for your API requests. The next section is the CU purchase page. When you click Submit, you can recharge your account on the ETH, Polygon, or BNB network. Once the recharge is complete, you can view your recharge records in the recharge record section. So after a successful purchase, you can see the total number of CUs you have and the amount that you've used up to this point, the amount of CUs you have used. And so it's worth mentioning that when you log in with your email or bind your wallet to an email, you will receive for free 10 million CUs that are valid for 15 days for testing and verification purposes. Okay, so next, let's explore how to make API requests. Open your API documentation from here. First, for first-time developers, you can click on Guides. Okay. To get like an overall idea of how to use NFTScan's API services. The overview section provides a global introduction to the NFTScan API, which includes our support services, data features, applications, scenarios, and blockchain networks covered, such as EVM chains, Solana, Aptos, and BTC networks. So click on Get Started for like a nice detailed guide on using NFTScan's API services, which covers the operations that I just mentioned on the developer platform. Additionally, we offer an official JS SDK for quicker and more efficient integration with our API services. Okay, next is the compute units section, which explains the specific details of CUs and exactly how they are priced. You can see here on this chart the CU consumption for every corresponding API interface, as it is determined by various factors such as computation, storage, and data transmission. Now let's move on to the API tutorial. It first explains how NFTScan parses NFT data, followed by the introduction of the three main data model sets: asset model, transaction model, and a collection model you can see here on the left. First, the asset model. The asset model includes an overview of core fields, allowing developers to utilize the information effectively, including essential information for developers who serve their own dApp services. Secondly is the transaction model, which covers 4 types of events: mint, burn, transfer, and sale, along with their definitions. Thirdly, the collection model provides basic information about NFT projects obtained from third-party marketplaces. The tutorial then covers statistical related interfaces in addition to providing basic data information about assets, transactions, and collections. NFTScan also, in addition, offers encapsulated APIs, for aggregated statistical data required in common business scenarios. Furthermore, we provide two types of subscription-based APIs. Firstly is Notify API, and also Stream API, which utilizes a Notify API, utilizes webhook for passive callback notifications, while Stream API utilizes WebSocket. Okay, now let's take a look at the EVM API section here. Here I'm going to discuss specific fields, examples, and descriptions of the three data models for EVM APIs, including asset, transaction, and collection models. You can search for assets, transactions, and collections related to EVM APIs. For example, click here, Get NFT by Contract Address. This is one of the most commonly used APIs. You can see on the debugging panel here on the right-hand side that there are 11 EVM blockchains. So as such, you can see that the domain name changes. See here, the domain name changes when you change the blockchain. Moreover, an API key is required, which you can copy from our developer platform over here. Okay. Here then, you'll see that this address is the NFT project address of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. Click Try It. And now you can see the pertinent NFT information. You can see there's a total of 10,000 NFTs, and the default request is the first 20 data information sorted by token ID. By analogy, if you want to check the event records of the specific NFT according to the contract address, click Get Transactions by Contract, and click Try It. And now you can see the Bored Ape Yacht Club here has a total of more than 220,000 transactions since the creation of Ethereum. And the data information of the first 20 transactions sorted in reverse order of transaction time is what you see here on the screen. Then if you want to query a collection, you can click Get an NFT Collection. And just like before, click Try It. You'll find the basic information of the NFT project, including its description, its logo, image, URL, and excuse me, the overall attribute distribution of its NFT, and of course a bunch of other summary information. And for example, if you check the information related to the project statistics of the Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs, you can see the average price, trading volume, and price change. Yep, all of it's right here. Average price here, trading volume, and price change. NFTScan offers approximately 50 API interfaces that can be applied to different scenarios, allowing developers to use them according to their specific needs. Apart from the 11 EVM-related blockchain networks, we also provide API data services for BTC, Aptos, and Solana networks. As mentioned earlier, the Notify API utilizes webhook, and you can actually create your webhook subscriptions either through there's two choices, either through NFTScan, the NFTScan developer platform, or manage them through the API. I'll show you here. Go to our NFTScan developer platform, click Create Webhook. Here you can see the NFT collection activity, fill in your name, chain, webhook URL, and it serves as a passive callback notification service. Additionally, we also offer Stream API. I'll show you here. Find it here. Stream API. Sorry. And a Stream API utilizes WebSocket and allows users to actively receive relevant data from NFTScan. Users can set specific conditions to receive automatic data pushes. Detailed examples and explanations are provided all in this section. Yeah, so overall, NFTScan's developer platform and API services are designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. And really, with just a little bit of time spent exploring, you can quickly become acquainted with our services. Our vision is to help more developers build their own dApps and using NFTScan's data services. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate your time.